Hello, I'm Chris, Media Services Specialist at Hartwick College. This tutorial video demonstrates how to schedule a meeting in Zoom, record it, and upload it to a Google Drive folder. These instructions assume you already have the Zoom app installed on your laptop and have your account logged in through Gmail. The host of your session will be the one recording it, so they will have to be on a laptop or desktop computer. The other participants can join the session from either a laptop or a phone. You will be using a Zoom Basic account, so if your team is 3 people or more, you will be limited to 40 minutes for each session. For this demonstration, I'm using a Windows 10 computer. If you are on a different Windows operating system or a Mac, some of the options may be a little different. To start, open the Zoom app on your computer. From the Start menu, it's probably down on the bottom, or you may have it on your desktop, or you may have an icon on your taskbar. Click Sign In, and don't ever enter your email address here. Always click on Sign In with Google. This will open an internet browser and should show your Hartwick account as one of the options. Click on that, then click on Open Zoom Meetings. This should bring you back to the Zoom app, which will now show your options. If you're not on the main page, always remember to click on Home, then click Schedule. Here you can type the title of the meeting, and change the date and time to when your meeting is scheduled. Always let the meeting ID generate automatically. No need to require a meeting password. And always make sure that the host and participants' videos are on. You can leave telephone and computer audio checked and make sure it's got Google Calendar. Then click Schedule. This should bring you back to an internet browser where you'll select your Hartwick email again, and possibly it'll prompt you to allow Zoom to access your calendar. Click Allow. From your calendar event, you can change the title of the meeting again if you need, and then add guests. Click Save and send invitation, and now you're all set for your meeting. Once it's time, the host will click Start on their Zoom app. Participants will click the link in their invitation email or calendar event. You can join with computer audio, and you can check over here next to the mute button to make sure that the right microphone and the right speakers are connected. If your video is muted, this is where you can start and stop it. Again, you can pull that arrow and check the appropriate camera, whether it's an internal or a separate USB camera. For the host, it's important to remember to hit record when it's time to start recording your session. Notice up here it says that you're recording. Gives you the option to pause or stop it. When the session is finally over with all your participants, you will hit stop and say goodbye. Then click End Meeting and End Meeting for all. Now it will take Zoom some time to process your recording, and we'll finally open a Windows Explorer window with your file. Find the MP4 file, rename it to something useful, and now you're ready to upload it to Google Drive. Open your Gmail in a browser again, and go to Google Drive. From there, you can create a new folder. and upload your file. Once it's uploaded, you should add members to the folder so they will have access to the video file. You can do this by clicking Share and adding the names. This will send access to the folder to all of the people in your team, and if necessary, your professor, so they'll be able to take a look at your work. I also have a separate tutorial that shows how to trim your video before you upload it. This means you can cut out all the empty space at the beginning and end of the file. As always, if you have any other questions, please email me anytime. Thanks and have a great day.